Hello, stock stars and fellow traders. Dvestments coming to you with another short video. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best entry. Improve your odds of success. But first of all, let's take care of some housekeeping. I need you to please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the videos, and share with your family, friends, and other traders. As always, my videos are for education and information purposes only. This is not investment advice. So let's get to it. So let's look at the chart for today. This was the chart for today. This is the QQQ 2-minute chart, and I've got the 20 and the 200 on my chart today. So we want to get in the best entries. So in my experience, most good moves happen in about 5 candles. Sometimes you'll get more, sometimes you'll get less, but the average is 5+ candles for a good move. But the key is to get in at the beginning of that move, not in the middle, not at the end. So when you're looking at when to get in, the best time to get in is when that first candle is about to end. So it's a 2-minute candle. So maybe around 1 minute 45 seconds, that's when you want to get in the trade. If you can't get in right then, the second place you can get in is when the second candle is just forming. So within the first 30 to 45 seconds of that candle, you want to get in, or the second candle. By the time you get to the third candle, the fourth candle, and the fifth candle, you should be taking profits in those candles. Okay, the third, the fourth, and the fifth candle. You should start taking profits. Okay, anywhere in between these candles here. Because what you want to do is you want to take profits in the momentum of the move. You don't want to wait and try to peg the top of a move or peg the bottom of a move. You want to get in as when the move has momentum, whether it's going up or whether or not it's going down. As you can see, by the time we get to the fifth candle here, in this move here that happened in the morning, you start to get red candles in here. Even though it does go higher, and it goes all the way up to 377.07, which was the high of the day at that particular time. And then we got a nice pull back to the 200. And then we got a bounce off of that. Got to bounce off that 200. And then lunchtime, the stock continued making higher lows off of this 20 moving average. So even though it would make a higher low, go up, pull back, make another higher low, it inched its way up all the way up to 377.44 by 12:30. So this is all it did during lunchtime, is kept giving us higher lows. 375.28, 375.62, 376.20, 376.67. So could you have made some money in between there? Yeah, you just needed to be patient, and your entry needed to be good. So basically your entry needed to be, once you got a price mark off this 20, your entry should have been on one of these green candles off this 20. That's where your entry should have been, and then you would have stayed in it until you got kicked out with your price point. And then we got some double tops up here, which is the new high of the day. And then price pulled back to this 20. I'm sorry, to the 200 again. And you've got two double bottoms here, which are higher. Okay, so you got higher lows off of this double bottom, and then price went up to 377. So entries they're crucial. Like I said, you can't get in when the move is already complete. You got to get in at the start of the move in order to be able to realize the gains of that move. Because basically, if you get in the middle of the move or you get in at the end of the move, what's going to happen is that it's going to turn around on you. And that's what you don't want to happen, because if it turns around on you, 9 times out of 10, because we all know stocks fall faster than they rise, it might not give you enough time to be able to get out unscathed. So you may take a loss, a bigger loss than what you wanted to take, or a bigger loss than you expected, all because your entry wasn't good. So the first questions that you want to ask yourself is, are you trading off the high or the low of the day? Trading off the high or the low of the day will increase your success rate. Okay. Make sure you enter on the right color candles. So if you're going short or the stock is going down, you want to make sure that you enter on a red candle. If you're going long and the stock is going up, you want to make sure that the candle is green. Look for entries that follow the trend. Going against the trend is risky. You always want to make sure that if price is trading above the 20, that you're in a call, and if price is trading below the 20, and that you're in a put. You want to enter on that first candle when it's almost complete, or the beginning of the second candle. Make sure you enter on the right color. And you want to be exiting on the third, fourth, or fifth candle. You want to exit in the strength of the move. Okay, not at the top of the move, not trying to peg the top, not trying to peg the bottom. You want to enter on the strength of the move. So it's a nice, comfortable exit. Don't be greedy. Take your money and run. That's all I have. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.